This is Duke University.
The Bass Connections project, we're just actually finishing up with our latest iteration, our pinnacle achievement that we've had over the past couple of years. We're looking at the access and expansion and what it means to rise mobily, questioning the motif or questioning the narratives about social mobility. I originally conceived of my own research as being a sort of separate project from Bass. And the more that I've worked with, this project looking at the access to higher education on the outskirts of Rio de Janeiro, I realized that being involved with this project and then having my own dissertation work, crafting a project, that they're actually coming together in really unanticipated but really fascinating ways.
The Bass Connections kind of actually helped me focus, because I, as someone who's interested in, Romance studies and Portuguese and Latin American culture and public policy, you kind of already see that I have a very broad interest. So picking a dissertation project, I could go anywhere, really. So the Bass Connections actually kind of helped me focus and think like, I already have this body of knowledge, and I'm now currently participating in a research project that lets me build on that and kind of integrate it into my own research.
I think that working with Bass in this context for my teaching objectives has been absolutely invaluable, because unlike others in my cohort and probably others in the history department, as a third year in particular, this has given me a set of experiences that others do not have. Oftentimes it's not until the fourth, fifth, sixth, or sometimes even seventh year that people have the ability to pilot a course and sort of have a trial run with students. I think it's helped me grow quite a bit in terms of communicating expectations, coming up with research questions, piloting assignments and things that are a bit different, that are not research papers, they're not exams. They're experimental for me, and I think they're probably as experimental for students, but vastly different than what the assignments I would have created as a historian in an Introduction to Latin America course.
I just this morning met with two of the undergraduate students who also participated in our last year's field research, and kind of just that ongoing mentorship relationship has also been very rewarding. So I think part of it is what you want to get out of it, but also seeing it as an opportunity to develop some other skills and use your research to address these kind of interdisciplinary questions.